Welcome to Mushabbar from the mountain Safa. In front of me you see Khana Kaaba. Today we did our second Sa'i here. If you don't know what is Sa'i basically means that you have to walk and even in some places you have to run between two mountains. One is called Safa. This is the mountain Safa, and the other is mountain Marwa. The Marwa is on that end. It's pretty far from here. I don't know how much distance. It could be more than 1 kilometer. I will probably later on check. So between these two mountains, Safa, which is on my back side, and on my front side, that will be Marwa. You have to walk, and in some places you have to run 7 times. If you make a round trip, it means 3.5 times. This we are doing right now in an not 5-star but maybe 10-star air conditioned environment in a very good circumstances. But we are doing this to remember what Bibi Hajra did thousands of years ago. So when Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam was a baby child, he was lying down somewhere here and he needed water, and his mother Bibi Hajra was looking for water. There was no water anywhere. And if you know the environment of Makkah, then it is like a stony mountains, and the mountains, they are crushed into pieces, and those pieces are so hard that if you put your foot without shoes in an inappropriate way, your foot can be cut. You can get injury in several places on the foot. And in those circumstances, Bibi Hajra was running between that mountain, between Safa, which is on my back, and Marwa, which is on my front. So she was looking for water between Safa, this one is Safa, and Marwa, and she was running between them, and she did 7 times. Then a miracle happened and water came out from in this desert area somewhere here, and it is called Abe Zamzam. And from that day until now, Abe Zamzam is still coming out. We have seen that place where Abe Zamzam comes like 20 years ago or something. Now that place is a bit hidden. You can't go there anymore. But the water is, all the water here that they provide is that water, Abe Zamzam. And Sa'i, that is to walk and run between Safa and Marwa 7 times, is an integral part of the Hajj and also an Umrah. You can't do an Umrah or Hajj without that. For a healthy person, it may not be a big deal in this 10-star air conditioned place right now, but even in this environment, it is not easy to do it. Many people are not able to do it, and and women are not even running, and Bibi Hajra was running. And also some people who are a bit lazy and handicapped, they have a special way to do it on a wheelchair. I will show you that as well. But think about the environment. Several thousand years in the history, when this was like a desert, it was even desert few 50 years ago or something. But think about that, because Hazrat Isa alayhi salam born like 2000 years ago, and this could be 4,000-5,000, maybe even more. We don't know exact how many years ago. So and the temperature here is in normal circumstances is 40, 50. Right now it is about 30, I think it is about 30, because this is winter, 30 plus. But this area sometimes, most of the time, is above 40 and sometimes close to 50. So, and there is no water here. And right now you can even drink Abe Zamzam here. You can take a rest. There is water, there is air condition, and even with that environment, you can't do it easily. Many people, many people think it is very hard and they need help. But in many cases, people can also do without any problem, not much problem. So this is the place which they have designed for those people who are in need of help, who can't walk around. And you see here, yeah. So even it is difficult for the people to do it here. So that is all. I think that is enough. We have to go somewhere. So this is for those people who need help. But the whole environment is air conditioned. Okay, thank you to all of you and goodbye.